Alright, so we were stopped by the police and नाम लिखो?
नाम लिखाना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा। Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's ride was something that you guys have selected. So yesterday I put in a story on Instagram. Should I go to Bhauli Dam or should I go to Bandardara? And the majority of you guys have selected Bandardara. So that's where me and Freddy would be heading up to. This is Freddy over here.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channels.
Yeah. So basically the road is a bit wet. Yeah, there's rain, so I'm wearing the Rhinox jacket as well. So I'll be testing the jacket to see how it survives against the monsoons. But I'll see you guys on the flip side.
You have one shot on stage, what you got to play? Generic drops for days, still the people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? Is money buying you fame? I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on. Cause I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high harass. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high harass. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.
We've just left the highway. We've taken that right after the OT toll plaza. This is the way that goes towards Shirdi. Sir, आप लाइन में आओ ना. काय को उधर मर रहे हैं? लाइन में आओ ना सर. काय को मराने आगे जा रहे हैं आप? हाँ? अक्कल नहीं क्या तेरे को?
क्या नाम है चैनल का आपका?
हाँ?
चैनल का नाम क्या है?
रैली बी राइड.
रैली बी राइड.
बता दो आपको.
अच्छा लगता है वीडियो देख रहे हैं.
मेरा वीडियो लेकिन इंग्लिश में है भाई.
इंग्लिश में?
हाँ चलेगा ना. सब्सक्राइब तो कर सकते हैं ना. देख भी सकते हो आप.
चलेगा.
थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी बोलता हूँ मैं. जैसे आपका भी अभी डाल दूंगा मैं.
अरे क्या?
Alright, so we got another subscriber. आपका नाम?
विक्रम.
विक्रम. तो आप कभी भी शिरडी आ रहे तो विक्रम के पास रुका देना. नाइट्रोजन कभी अवेलेबल रहेगा?
अभी वो चालू हो जाएगा, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, करंट उतर.
अच्छा, इसके लिए मतलब मेरा नसीब खराब था. ठीक है, चलो, नो प्रॉब्लम भाई. थैंक यू.
Take out a jacket and all now.
Let's see now ahead what the scenes are. Got one subscriber for you. The Hawa fellow. He asked for the channel name.
अच्छा.
I put mine, I put yours also.
They are doing test now over there.
What?
Test they were doing.
What test?
No, COVID test.
Huh?
COVID test.
Huh?
COVID test.
They are doing? They need a what?
No, no, I think they are checking you before sending you.
Acha, they are checking or what?
This is what I heard, huh? But I don't know how far it is.
Chalo. Alright, so after a quick change, we removed the rain liners and I wanted to show you guys the location. What a beautiful freaking place this is. Holy cow. And we've encountered some traffic in the middle of the road. Hello. What's up? Man, oh man, this place looks beautiful.
so on, like a light switch, flirting back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body bad, come on baby, bring it back. I'm so gone, faded off a 30 rack. She's so on, like a light switch, flirting back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body bad, come on baby, bring it back. I rap with a passion, yeah, I got it in me. I've been waiting quite a long time for y'all to hear me. It's about damn time you put some stock into me. You're either sponsoring me or fucking bothering me. And the fact is, we just practice all this madness. That is why our status is like a canvas. Chances our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. Comes up till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my hyper raps, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.
Alright, so we were stopped. Alright, so we were stopped by the police. And नाम लिखो?
नाम लिखाना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा, you stay there. I'll do mine and then you come.
ऐसा खड़े रहो, ऐसा नहीं करो। ओके ओके, थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Your antigen test is negative.
Negative. Thank you. Alright, so that's a negative for the test. And now we've got Freddy. Freddy, don't be positive. Just don't freaking be positive, otherwise I'll leave you here and go. Alright, so we were stopped by the local police over here. The reason why we were stopped is because we need to do a test before we enter Bandardhara. And there's a small center over here that they would be doing the test. And we've got Freddy now who's going for his test. Freddy, be negative.
Yes.
Otherwise I'll freaking leave you over here and go.
No, no worries, bro. They will not keep me behind, no?
They should keep you quarantined over here, like. Alright, so now we are done with the RT-PCR testing, and that's when they would help let you go towards the lake. And the lake is just probably half a kilometer away, or the dam is just half a kilometer away. So I am coming to Bandardhara after 8 or 9 years. So this road, I think so, goes to that MTDC resort on top. And right now we are heading to the dam spillway. And there you go, guys, this is the first view of Bandardhara Dam. Although the water is not yet full, so the dam is empty. And we can head down. I know that location over there. I think so the spillway is open, because I can see some white water rapids over there. Although the dam, they've not opened the dam gates yet, but the spillway is open. Hey, this road goes to the dam. So finally we reached Bandardhara. Yeah, the cops had stopped us before reaching Bandardhara. The reason being is you guys need to get yourself tested. So there's a testing center that's available over there. And once you are tested negative for the RT-PCR test, that's when they would allow you to enter Bandardhara. And behind me is the mighty Bandardhara Dam. The dam is not yet full, so they've not left some water. The last time that I'd been here, you know, they leave some water over the floodgates. And we'll be heading towards the spillway also. There's another spillway over there. I'll show you the location, guys. I'll pan towards it. So that's the river. See how clean the water is. And this is the mighty Bandardhara Dam. Alright guys, so this is the floodgate of Bandardhara. Depending on the water level, they could raise it or lower it on how much they want to keep the water level. So normally the water overflows from here and it trickles down towards the river. Hey guys, I'm sure you all will not be able to hear me. There'll be a whole lot of wind noise. But right now we have reached Bandardhara. That would be Bandardhara Dam. This is the Bandardhara spillway. And I'll pan the camera. So the lake is not yet full. Normally during the end of August, the water level reaches right up till top over here. But the lake is still empty. And that's some boating sessions. Yeah, this place is good to camp. So if you go this side, there's Ratanwadi somewhere around over there. I remember last time when we had come to Bandardhara, we went towards Ratanwadi, which is somewhere behind that hill. So we are as usual having an amazing time. You know, thanks to you guys that you suggested Bandardhara. So this is Bandardhara.
Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high progress, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.
Alright, so we're having some vada pav for lunch. I mean, yeah.
Not lunch. Snacks.
Not lunch, this is snacks.
Snacks.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll be heading home, but before heading home, we'll munch on something, and we'll be heading towards home, right? Or are we going someplace else?
No, so we are going to go to
Bhavli Dam.
Bhavli Dam. So stay tuned guys for the part 2, since we are going to go to Bhavli Dam from here. So stay tuned on the channel, and do watch Rally B Rides and Bike of Freddy on our YouTube channels.
So guys, yeah, for those of you who wanted us to go to Bhavli Dam, yes, we will be heading to Bhavli Dam as well. Yeah, so we wanted to come to Bandardhara, and I've come here after about 8 or 9 years, and this thing has changed a little bit. I mean, the roads are changed a little bit, but for those of you who wanted Bhavli Dam, we'll be heading towards Bhavli Dam from here. So that will be in part 2 guys. I'll be closing the video soon, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.